Everybody, good morning. 5:30 a.m. February 7th. It is Monday. It is early. We are looking at charts. Markets are moving. Crypto never closes. It is always trading around the clock. XRP. XRP is in one of the most interesting looking charts, chart patterns, call it what you will right now, that I have seen, and thanks to Alex Cobb for bringing this up. I remember looking back at this about a year or so ago, and we're still playing out here. We're looking closer than ever to this thing moving to the upside. I remember looking at this back in this area, so 2020, and we did actually move up from there and before rolling back over. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a monthly chart of XRP dating back to this monthly candle, which was in 2013. That is the August 1st monthly candle. We have been in this ascending trend to the upside for XRP since 2013. We are currently in 2022 is the year. So let's take a look at this. So basically, we had XRP back here in 2013. We traded from a monthly low of, looks like, 0.002, and then we traded all the way up to a high of 0.06 before trading lower to sideways over until looks like the month of March in 2017. So let's see, we traded for looks like 1,280 days sideways before making a massive move to the upside right here. So what we're looking at is from when we hit this lower part of the trend line here, this ascending trend line, from the bottom of this trend to the top took 306 days. 306 days when we touched the bottom, the white trend line here, to we touched the top trend line over here. 306 days. How long was this area from this top of the trend line to this bottom of the trend line? Well, that was about 1,158 days. Let's see where we're at right now. So we'll take from the top of the trend line. Oh, we got to get my tool here. From the top of the trend line, and then we'll go over. We'll go to right here. We're at, that would be 1,065 days. And we did rally, and now we are back. We are at 1,492 days. So we are in a longer sideways period than we were back in the 2014 area. Let me double check something real quick here. So what do I see here moving forward for XRP? Well, it is hard to miss what this thing is setting up to do. So if we take this breakout from bottom to top, that was 306 days. So let's fast forward over to where we're at today, and we'll take this month's bar, the February bar, and we'll go over 306 days. So that's 203, 234. Let's call it 203 bars. Let me make this upper trend line a little higher here. And let's go back to our time tool and let's go over 303 days. Where does 303 days take us? Let's see here. This is a little bit annoying here, but I think it'll work if you have a little bit of patience with me. So $280 for XRP. Let me get this down to that $280 range right around here. So if XRP does a similar move to right in here when it comes to time, 306 days, a little less than 1 year, that puts XRP all the way up in here in this ascending wedge. Very, very interesting. Seems like a far shot from where we're at right now, but let's look back. So if we were sitting right here in XRP, now you could argue we didn't have the history to go off of like we do now. The low of this candle was 0.005. If you were holding XRP right there and you could have went out 306 days and known that XRP would have hit above $3, would you call yourself crazy when XRP was at 0.005? Maybe. Now we have a little bit more history on the chart to look at. And what we're seeing right now is XRP trading at 76 cents with an upper target in that 200, 280, give or take that $200 range. So let's see what this move was. That was about a give or take, we'll call it like right to there, a 34,000% move to the upside. 34,000%. So let's take where we're at today. And we're sitting about right here. And let's go up to... So if we go up to that 200, let me get this, change this a little bit here. All right, let's try this again. We're sitting about right here at 77 cents. And if we get up to that $280 range, would you know that that gets us right about at that 36,000% move? So if we did a move just like back in 2017, 2018, that 34, give or take 1,000% move, if we repeat that now, it'll take about a year, according to history on the chart, and that'll get us up to that $280 range. And from basically where we're at now to up to that 280 is about a 36,000% move. So it's very, very close to what happened in the past for XRP. Will it play out perfectly and the same? Probably not. It already hasn't. We had this area here where we were actually breaking out to the upside. We were starting to make those moves, and the price actually rolled back over. We're testing again this lower ascending trend line. But If we do a similar 30,000 plus % move, we are in triple digit XRP within the next year. Will it happen faster? Maybe. Will it happen in longer time? Maybe. But it is very hard to ignore what is going on right here. And we are finding support once again. Call it maybe the third time. Looks like we found support in this March of 20 area. Found support again here in this December 20, January 20. And would you know that the January 22 bar, the February 22 bar, we are sitting pretty right in here on this lower trend line. And what's to come is higher prices. Could the price roll over? It could. But looking at history in the back, it is getting ready to move to the upside in a very, very big way. We will see if it happens. Time will tell. But kind of just like up in here, would you be looking to buy XRP up in here? Well, I'm sure people did. But if you had this upper trend line going, that would be one area to lock in your profits. Similar to up in this area, if we bump our heads in this triple digit, this $200 plus range, would you buy XRP? I don't know. I'd be looking to lock in some profits. Doesn't mean it's not going to go much higher, but looking back, we have this area back in here and then this area back in here, where looking back, taking some profits off the table would have been a good play. So we will see if something similar happens to here. A $200 plus XRP is what the chart says is possible over the next year or so, assuming we start to break out here. Getting above the high here, the April 1st candle, the April monthly candle. If we can get above that high, it is all systems go, and we are going to start moving higher here in XRP. All right, everybody. Might sound crazy, but throw this up on your screens here. This is a monthly chart of XRP. Connect the lows here with this lower trend line, connect the highs here, and then get your time tool over here on the left-hand side, the measuring tool. Measure out, measure up. You'll get right up to that $200, that triple digit XRP price. We will see in 1 year from now, in February of 2023, will we be sitting at a triple digit or higher XRP? You let me know down in the comments. Interested to hear what you all think or have to say about this. If you are a short-term trader for XRP, so what I mean by that is you aren't just a buy and hold for however long that is. If you like to get in and get out of positions, not daily, but perhaps weekly, monthly, we have a Patreon trading page if you did not know. And we recently opened back up the XRP Trader Patreon tier. At this price, it is an unbelievable steal, we believe. And I will leave a link down below. Basically, it will give you entry and protective stops for XRP positions. We also list short entries for XRP, if that is your cup of tea. But check it out over on Patreon. The signals are posted every day for XRP, and things are looking very good right now for the upside for XRP. So if that is something you're into, check it out. If not, no worries. Let's see what happens here with XRP. We will be around for the show. So, all right, everybody. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Have a great Monday, a great trading week, XRP is up about 10% right now. Things are looking hot for XRP. All right, everybody. Have a great day.